You were injured in an accident and your lawyer is telling you to stay away from social media during the case. Why would he or she tell you to do that? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. Join me as I answer that question for you. Insurance companies are just like everybody else. If you've posted something on social media, despite all the protections you've taken with your privacy settings, they have ways to find it. So if somebody claims they are so catastrophically injured they can't leave their home, but yet they're posting pictures of vacations they're taking at that time in destinations, that does not bode well for the injured party. In fact, some of the most damaging evidence comes from the mobile devices that we use, because those can track the location as to where the picture was taken, the time, and they can also track the distance one has traveled. Sometimes people wear devices such as FitBits or pedometers to track the amount of steps they've traveled in a day. If those are electronic and somehow being fed to a cloud source or some other entity, that information can be obtained by the insurance company, and in some cases it may show the person was actually more active after the crash than before. Again, none of these things will help document the harms and losses of your cases. That can only hurt your case. One of the most recent cases I had was a young man who thought he was a tough guy. He posted on Facebook that he had been in a car crash. A lot of his friends came to his page and said, "Oh, I hope you're okay, you're not hurt." He said, "Oh, I'm just fine." And then later on, when we went to settle his case, lo and behold, the insurance adjuster for the other side brought this Facebook post to the mediation, and that greatly hurt his case. So this is why it's important to stay away from social media. Don't post anything about any injuries you suffered as a result of a third party's carelessness at the time the case is pending. It's nobody else's business. Keeping it off social media will help protect your case and will allow your attorney to do his or her best to get you compensation for all the harms and losses you've suffered. Well, that's it for today's video on why to stay away from social media during a case. By the way, if you found this information helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get fresh, new content every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. I answer questions like this every day. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.